Welcome to the Bearded Chef series of informative videos. We hope you enjoy.
Ready to slice through the kitchen myths? Here's why a sharp knife is your best friend. A sharp knife isn't just for show, it's a kitchen essential. First off, efficiency and precision. Think of those times you're chopping veggies. A sharp knife slices through like butter, making uniform cuts. This means better presentation and even cooking. Now, here's a twist. Sharp knives are actually safer. You'd think the opposite, right? But a dull knife needs more force, making it easier to slip and cause an injury. A sharp blade, minimal pressure and better control. And let's talk food preservation. Sharp knives treat your ingredients kindly. No more crushed herbs or bruised veggies. This keeps flavors and textures top-notch. Finally, ease of use. Less physical effort means less tiring prep time. Perfect for those marathon cooking sessions. So, the next time you're in the kitchen, remember, keeping that knife sharp isn't just a pro tip, it's a game changer. Happy cooking!